What's up, everybody? It's your girl Yola here, and I am here to do a BoxyCharm unboxing. I have been having this sitting here for a few days now, and it is the June 2019 BoxyLuxe BoxyCharm. So I'm super excited to open this. I can say that, I have racked up quite a collection, thank you to BoxyCharm. So I'm really excited to see what they have in store for me this month. So without further ado, we gonna get into it. By the way, it's a little hot under these lights, honey. So throughout this, y'all gonna see with my little fan, so I keep my look on, honey. Are you catching this? Let me get a little, okay, I had to be cute for y'all on my little, on my first little video, and I didn't want the little fan being like, in the background. Nevertheless, okay. Just know that this gonna come out sometimes, honey. It's a little hot. All right, so I'm gonna open up the box here. In every one of the BoxyCharm boxes, there is this information paper. It kind of gives you a breakdown of everything that is on there. It also gives you pricing and a little bit about that product. So I will go over this as well as I'm going through the box, just so that we know how much stuff costs and what it's used for. So upon opening the box, there is, I have no idea what this is, y'all. Look, I have not opened this, so we're going to do this together. Oh, it's a big old fat mascara. Baby, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what this is, because I'm like, this is a fat mascara, honey. Do you see this? Do you see how fat this is? Get into that. Okay, let's find, what is this called? Trading Seek, honey. Y'all funny. Okay, it's called the Good Vibes Mascara. It does retail for $25. It says treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and voluming. Everything we want is some lashes on it. Fun with your new Trezeek Good Vibes Mascara. Now, I probably am saying these wrong. Y'all gonna have to forgive me, okay? Anyways, so it says that this is an all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara. Gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. Honey, it must be, because this is huge. Okay. Y'all gonna forgive me and don't clock me, okay? This is my first video, so we all gonna work together today. But it's hot. I don't think the little fan really gonna disturb too much. Anyways, so, baby, let me try and open this. Oh, it got the instructions on how to use it. This might have to be another video, baby, because this is a whole gig. Ooh, okay, little bag, honey. Look at this luxurious little silk bag. What you mean? I'm gonna hide lots of stuff in here. Yeah. I dropped it. Okay. So this is, it just says PYT. It's a mini turbo on the go dryer. I know you like, y'all see I'm all covered up, honey. That's for a good reason. I dropped some of this stuff. I didn't realize it came with so much. Anyways, so you got this cute little, look at the little dude, y'all. It's a little dude, okay? And it actually does come with like the little diffusers and stuff like that. So you get a few different caps, this one and then the one I dropped. But it's all the way over there, y'all. So yeah. But look, okay, the little PYT thing. I know you lied. It says your new PYT Mini Turbo on the go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. I mean, again, just like the little mascara, everything's all in one. You can't even be mad. It does retail for $85. Now, I'm going to say this. This Boxy, I think I pay an extra $50 every 3 months. You get a BoxyLuxe, which is the bigger box that I have today. So already it's paid for. So this is $85. The other thing was $25. So it's so worth it, and you get so much stuff. I'm looking forward to using the mascara. Okay, so with the little bag. Y'all better shut up. They trying to be fancy, honey. Fancy. Okay. I'm gonna put this to the little side, honey. Let's move on to the next little thing. They sure got a lot of little stuff in, honey. Okay, what is it? because I have been seeing this for quite some time. I, as a person, have never had to use this, so I'm definitely gonna give this to somebody who I know can. But this is, and I actually seen Kylie Jenner use this just recently on one of her videos. It's the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I can't even say it, y'all. But this is what it looks like. And due to the looking at the directions, this definitely ain't nothing that I didn't use, son. You just want me to sections put this in my hair. I never heard of that. Okay, you know, you learn something new every day. Anyway, so this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It says make room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It says this styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. This is $29. I don't know, friends, I don't know what this is for. I'm thinking that maybe this is a dry shampoo or some dry conditioner. Baby, we're going to look this up because I'm not sure what this is for and I've never used it. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Yeah. Anyways, on to the next. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something. Now, I done took out just, what, 3 things out the box. The blow dryer, this mascara, and then the little hair thing. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products left. Y'all, you heard me. This is a good deal, honey. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, I know you like. Let me take out the fan, honey. Oh, I love me some Dr. Brandt. Oh my gosh, I have the pore vacuum cleaner. I got that in my BoxyCharm Luxe like a few months ago. Baby, be sucking these pores in. So this is the Dr. Brandt Clear Biotic. Okay, honey, let's get a little read on it because I don't know what that means. Okay, it's a clean, biotic, pH balanced yogurt cleanser. Okay, be sucking these paws in. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil, for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Dr. Brandt. But no, I'm really excited about this because I have been wanting to try more of the Dr. Brandt products, but I'm poor. So we're going to keep that real. Next. Oh, by the way, that product was $35, honey. All right, so this next one, let me clock you, BoxyCharm. Okay, let's talk. So I saw this in the little new Boxy Skin Luxe thing, friend. Y'all recycling? It's okay. I ain't mad at y'all though, honey, because I might need this for this skin. You can't. You want to hear about it? That's okay. Pharmacy. It's from pharmacy, but it's spelled like farm, honey, like a farm with animals, honey, and then Macy. Okay, I'm done. For real. I'm sorry, honey. Honeymoon Club. Honey, this is what it looks like here. It says this pharmacy honeymoon glow is a 3-in-1. Everything has multitasking in this box, baby. Y'all better get on it, honey. Okay. Anyways, this 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep, honey. Formulated with a 14% now, people who did this little doo-doo won't know what this is. Talking about some 14% AHA-BHA/gentle flower acid blend. Throw it away. Throw that away. We finna open this. How much this cost? $58. $4, honey. Pharmacy. It'll get your skin nice and good. Cause I know you lied. Okay, let me open up this. Let me see. I want to see what the little bottle look like. They don't want me to see, honey, because this packaging is hard to open. Okay. Honey, pharmacy. It'll get your skin nice and good. So, ooh, let's see if it got a little scent. Look, because I want to know. Look, let's see. Ooh, the little, I was squirting it, look, it got on my mirror. Y'all gonna pray for me on this first video. I'm over here going through the gigs, honey, okay? Let me just swipe a look. It smell like Christmas time. I ain't even gonna lie. Like a little cinnamony smell. I don't know if I want that on my face, but I'm gonna try it since it got all this AHA and all this ABA. But I actually am looking forward to trying this. I'm not even gonna lie. I love skincare stuff. I don't wear makeup on my face. Well, today I'm not wearing makeup on my face, and it's not a usual thing for me. So anything that'll keep my skin looking young and glowing, that's fine with me. Yeah. Okay. On to the next. Okay. So I don't know what this is, honey. Let's see. Ooh, some truffle therapy, honey. Radiant Dew. Okay. Y'all better stop. They trying to have us glowing out here this summer, honey. Get your skincare. Oh, this is from Skin & Co. It is their Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. It is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic. Here we go. Y'all already had me at the first part, dewy skin, honey. Now we going into our glow-inducing tonic. This is water with some good stuff in it. Y'all better go on talking about this tonic. I can't throw this in no gin. Anyway, it's $35. And it got a whole bunch of stuff. They trying to make this sound real good, honey. All I see is tightening pores. He's sucking these pores in. And setting makeup. Okay. Let's try this. Let me get a little. Yeah, it squirted at me, okay? It was like, dang, can we get a little mist, honey? But $35. Skin therapy. It smells good, though. It smells good. Okay, we're going to try this one. I do a little full faces, whatever. And then, now I do have something from them that I got in my BoxyCharm last month. And it is the No Pore. Okay, and I actually like it. You say I use a little bit. Again, I really don't put makeup on my face, so I really don't have a need to always be priming and setting and all of that. But, you know, I will try it. Oh, some hair on me. I thought it was a bug. I was in the screaming run. Okay, so this is the No Pore Blend Prime Essence by Touch Soul. Touch inside of my soul. Anyways, yep. This is $23. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Pore Blend Prime Essence infused with some flowers, some extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeps your skin silky smooth, and yes. Okay. I think that this one is a liquid though. Again, I don't really be putting this stuff on my face, but you know, ooh. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I see where to get the little floral smell from, honey. Okay, I see you. It is a liquid form, so, ooh, it's dripping out. I know you lied. They already wasted my little product. I'm going to put this way up so I don't lose any product, even though I didn't pay full price. Nevertheless, let's move on. Don't clock me. Don't do me. All right. We have 2 things left, and for this to be a makeup thing, I got stuff in my skin, stuff in my hair this time, and I guess finally we get into some of the makeup. I actually have seen this on Ulta.com, so I'm kind of excited for it. It is the Tarte Pro Glow number 3. Not the first one, not the second one, but the third one, honey. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I took it out the box already. It looks like it has the name sitting there on the back. I'm not gonna lie, this packaging is hella cute. And this is coming from a person that also has like Jeffree Star products, and he has very eccentric, like very cool looking palettes and stuff. But like the feel of this, it's mad heavy, but it really feels really, really nice. So this is how it looks when you open it up. There's the little thing that comes out of it, but there it is. Now these are some really pretty colors. I definitely will be trying these out soon. While as I'm trying to learn how to like contour and all that fun stuff, and learning more about how to put makeup on my face. It is $45. It says meet your new everyday staple. The 6-shade Tartesse Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3. Okay, version 3. It's formulated with some Amazonian clay that delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, bronzer, and highlighter shades for a sculpted, dimensional look. Now, I have read all but one thing left on here. Okay, I have one more thing. In every last one of these things that I read today, they have tried to hype me up with whether it had Jesus juice in it, angel tears, unicorn tears, honey, anything to make it sound better than what it is. I totally get it. You want to sound like you the best of the best, but baby, y'all really trying to sell it. Just saying. Nevertheless, let's move on. So this is the last and final thing in the box. It is a Dominique Cosmetics thing. I have gotten one other thing from them in my BoxyCharm, so I'm a little excited because I really did like the last thing that I got, which I think it was like a lip gloss. I know you lied. Look at my stuff already halfway open. You see that? Trifling. Oh, honey, I'm gonna put this on right now, y'all. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Look at that. This is so pretty. This packaging is nice too. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys. It's heavy. It's really nice. It's not leaving any of my fingerprints all over the little plastic part. I like this, honey. Okay, your girl is excited. This costs $17, which for me, I think is average. I pay $18 for the little Fenty lip gloss. So it says that it adds hydration, shine, and fullness to your lips with a lightweight, non-sticky. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layer it over your favorite lipstick, which obviously everybody does. But look, for purposes of us just, you know, wanting to see, let's see how it smells first. Oh, God, I love when they give you that vanilla-y smell. Even though it would have been nice if it smelled like some pink lemonade or something, honey. But it's all good in the hood, okay? That smells so good. Now, I do already have on a lip gloss right now. I do have the JSC lip gloss and Ice Cold on. But it's all good, honey. It said we could pair this with our favorite little lip gloss. We're going to put this right on, honey. I know you like mirror right here. Y'all going to bless me. Oh, got a little pink to it. I see you. It is a little... Ooh! It smells so good. You just want to be like, I didn't lick it, okay? Nevertheless, let's move on. But that is all I had in my BoxyCharm this month. I don't know, y'all. I mean, I'm super happy with the stuff that I got, and I look forward to really trying it. But I'm so used to getting like a palette, not just a a highlighter palette in my stuff. So I can't make any looks or anything like that with what I got in the box. But it's all good, and I hope that you enjoyed my look today because, honey, did you see this? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh. So yes, make sure to like, subscribe, and return to more videos. Hello, have fun with me, and I look forward to having fun with you. And remember to always be unique.